Now, thank you for staying with us. More than 250 families in Nairobi's Vindani informal settlement are rebuilding their lives after a fire razed their homes. The national government, in partnership with the Nairobi City County government, has stepped in to provide emergency relief supplies, including food and temporary shelter. Leaders are now emphasizing the need for increased fire safety awareness, particularly in informal settlements, to help prevent similar tragedies in the future.
We have so many people who are affected. Many people, families are sleeping outside, and at least now, because of the support that Mama is giving out to the people, those who are affected, we sincerely appreciate.
Ametushughulikia mpaka tumekuja tumepata mahali ya mattress, sabuni, kitu ya kukurakura. Mimi narudisha tu shukrani mpaka Mungu ambariki hata yeye.
250 households were destroyed, including a school. We're going to sit down with the landlords and have a discussion on how we can get them back on track. But in the meantime, what I want to say is we need to be more careful. We need to prevent fires, and we need to do campaigns to prevent fires. So I've commissioned my team to actually investigate how this fire happened and capture the story so we can educate Nairobians on how to avoid fires.
Now, a fire broke out in a